Are you struggling to decide whether Power Apps or Power Automate is the right tool to revolutionize your business within the Microsoft ecosystem? Let's break down Power Apps versus Power Automate and discover which one best fits your specific needs. First up, Power Apps. Think of Power Apps as your personal app building factory. It's designed for creating custom applications with a low-code, drag-and-drop interface, perfect for streamlining data entry, managing inventory, or building internal tools that perfectly match your company's unique processes. Imagine building a mobile app for your field technicians to submit reports directly from their tablets. Now, let's switch gears to Power Automate. Power Automate is your digital assistant, automating repetitive tasks and workflows. It connects different apps and services together, triggering actions based on specific events. Automate invoice processing. Get notified when a file is updated in SharePoint, or automatically send a welcome message to new team members in Teams. Think of Power Automate as the glue that holds your digital workplace together. So, which one is right for you? Power Apps excels at building user interfaces and managing data directly through custom applications. Power Automate shines when automating tasks across multiple applications and services. The best part, they often work hand in hand. Power Apps can trigger Power Automate flows, and vice versa, creating powerful, integrated solutions. Use Power Apps for the user interface, and Power Automate for the backend automation. Explore the possibilities, experiment with both tools, and unlock the true potential of the Microsoft ecosystem for your business. Don't forget to subscribe for more low-code tips and tricks.